Yesterday I received the rest of my orders from HSN's November Craft Day event. Actually, I'm still waiting on a few crafters companion items. They are on extended delivery. I received an email from HSN that they're going to ship that on December. So that's that. And I ordered a couple of items on free shipping day, HSN's free shipping day as well. I received most of them, so I'm going to make a haul for all of these goodies today. Okay, first we have another one of these cute little darlings cottage house. I ordered this one from free shipping day. Originally I haven't had a plan to order this one, but on free shipping day and the sale price they had on this one, I decided to get it because they are really cute. These stamps and dies are really cute, and I really like the cottage house. And you get dies for all the stamps to cut them out. That's nice and neat. I have another item from free shipping day. I ordered both sets of Anna Griffin pre-made bows, the holiday version and the everyday version. So let me open both of them and show you how they look like. All right, we have both the everyday version and the holiday version. Let's see. And yes, I know I can make the bows myself, but sometimes when you are in a rush and you want to make something, it's much easier to use pre-made stuff, and they are really pretty colors. So we get these colors on the everyday version one. Nice and nice color. I use these colors all the time. And of course, for the holiday version, we have, sorry about the noise, and we have red, two different shades of red. They are slightly different. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not. We have two shades of green and of course the gold. I wish they have the silver one as well, but they don't. So anyway, okay, now I'm going to open the exciting things from Anna Griffin, the new ones she came up with. And I don't know, from the picture they are really pretty. So let's see how they look like. First I have a Valentine's doily cotton emboss die. This one is from HSN Craft Day event. Oh, look at it, they're so intricate. Get this one. Oops. This one. And these heart-shaped dies. And you can see these pretty cards. Nice. Let me measure these two and tell you what the size are. Okay, this one is 4 by 6. Yep. And this should be 5 by 7, I believe. Less than 5. It's like a 4 3/4 by 6 3/4, so it's a nice size for layering on top of 5x7 card or A7 card, whatever you want to call it. Then I have a Griffin 3D decorative layer dies. Ooh, so oh, these are nice. You get the shadow layer with the main layer as well, and they are really intricate and pretty. I really like this floral one. And you can make these style of cards with this ones. Very nice. Next, I have a Griffin album dies and folders. You get these pretty decorative dies and the die to make your album, and this pretty 3D embossing folder to create your album, and we will try that later in future videos. Next, I have another Griffin product, and it's shutter card dies. Let me open this one too. Okay, for this one specifically, and the next one actually, and the two next ones. Oops. It's not that hard to make the card like the one she had here, the main thing. But I bought the dies specifically for the decoration, you know, they are so pretty, so that's why the reason I bought this. Otherwise, making this style of card is not that hard, especially the way she did it here, and it's just open like a curtain, and it's different from the shutter card actually I made in the past. So that's that. I have a Griffin pop-out dies. I wish she had the magnetic sheets for these dies as well. She started to doing that, but I don't know why this one doesn't have that. And anyway, and for this die you can make these style of pop-out dies, pop-out card, and the shape is not really hard to make. You just score the line and make 2 slits and you're done. But oh my god, this die is really gorgeous. So I got it, and I'm thinking about the different ways I can use this die, and I'm sure I can come up with different way to use this die. We will see. Next I have another Griffin dies. It's the swivel and pop die set. I never thought I buy this die set, but on HSN free shipping day I decided to buy it, even though I already made a lot of these swivel and pop-up cards myself. But these ones probably make it a lot easier to make those cards. Those are a little bit harder to make, and these are really decorative, so I decided to try them out. You know, you get a lot of decorative dies. All these panels, flowers, all these flourishes. And the card will look like this. Hope you can see it on camera. Next I have another Griffin product. It's Harvest Cotton Emboss folder. I bought that on free shipping day. Actually, they're not that small, but for Anna Griffin style, they're really okay. These are like 3.5 inch by 5 inch, so they're nice size for A2 card or even the A7 card. And we have this doily die, which is like 3.5 inch. So they look nice. I will try them out later. And let me show you the idea sheet as well. Cool. Then I have again another Anna Griffin product. It's the 120 angelic stickers. I wasn't sure about this one, so I canceled my order a couple of times, and I finally decided to get it. It's a vintage style angels, and I don't know, I think it never goes out of style, and it's not bad to have it in my stash. So You get a lot of cute angels. Yeah, they're really nice. And with using a little bit of gel pens or foil, they're going to look really nice. Here we have this. Okay, next I have 3 items from Crafter's Companion. I ordered them on HSN free shipping day. So first I have Crafter's Companion a Merry Christmas Cascading dies, Stampin' dies. I already have a lot of everyday version of this type and I still haven't used them, but I really like this style, so I decided with the sale price and free shipping order these dies. You get the stamp and die for the Merry and all of the other cute stamps to decorate your card or project with it. I have a Christmas Cascading Sentiment and Stampin' dies. You get these cute stamps and these 3 Stampin' dies in this bundle. The Noel one, the Christmas one, and the holidays one. Nice. And last and not least, I have another Crafter's Companion product. It's the Crafter's Companion Shutter Card Kit. Let me open it and show you how they look like. Okay, we have this card kit and it's again a shutter card. And let me bring the idea sheet out. Okay, there is no idea sheet, it's this. Yeah, the card will look like this, and this is the style of shutter card I used to make, and I really like how they close this shutter card. Really appreciate you being here. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and see you in my next video. Peace out you.